Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2016 Kawasaki ZX-6R Ninja 636 edition. This bike has just under 2,300 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. With the lower miles on it, the tires are still in good shape. Comes with adjustable levers, frame sliders, a tank pad, Olson Performance exhaust pipe, stand spools, a fender eliminator with an integrated tail. And you can see by that back tire there's still a lot of life left in that. And again, stand spools, our tank pad, frame slider, and adjustable lever. And this is a KRT edition, so 2229 is what's on it. This 2016 ZX-6R 636 will go through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this sport bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.